You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this statue and creature correctly. Yes, I said correctly because I hear too many people mispronouncing it. This is the official mascot of Singapore, and it's pronounced in English Merlion. This is a word combining two words, mermaid, like a fish. I mean, it's not a fish, a mermaid. It's got a tail of a mermaid, with the word, you've guessed it, lion. So I hear too many people and too many pronunciations saying Merlion. Well, it's Merlion. Let me know in the comments what you think. Why would it be Merlion? Merlion. Merlion Park in Singapore. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.